Welcome to the How to Use XLSTAT AI Assistant tutorial. Powered by the Lumivero AI engine, this intelligent tool helps you accelerate your research, save hours of work, and minimize errors, allowing you to focus on insights. For example, here we have a dataset corresponding to an ANOVA demo from our website, and we need to determine how to analyze it. Now, let's assume we don't have any prior knowledge of our dataset. To summarize the data and receive recommendations for the next steps based on statistical insights, we'll click on Describe My Data, select our dataset, and confirm by clicking OK. After a few seconds, a new window will appear, displaying several insights such as descriptive statistics, missing values, and anomalies in your dataset. You can adjust the depth of these insights by clicking the bar at the bottom of the window and choosing between Quick Insights, Standard Insights, or Full Exploration Insights before relaunching the tool. Additionally, you can export your data to Excel or Word, or simply copy and paste it wherever needed. In this step, the AI assistant recommended to run an ANOVA. Then we can run ANOVA. Once we've completed our analysis, we can ask the AI assistant to explain our results by clicking the AI button at the analysis heading. Select the sections you want the AI assistant to interpret, then click OK. Within a few seconds, the AI assistant will generate a new window displaying the analysis interpretations. In this window, you can also adjust the insight's depth and export the results to Word, Excel, or simply copy the data. Now that you know how to use XLSTAT AI Assistant, you can work smarter, reduce analysis time, and gain deeper insights effortlessly. Whether you're a beginner or an expert, this tool helps streamline your workflow and enhance result accuracy. Join the XLSTAT experts community and take advantage of our 300+ features. If you have any problems, you can contact our support team by clicking on the Help option on your XLSTAT ribbon. Remember, we are always here to help.